When attempting to sign up for YouTube Premium, some users encounter the error message, "We couldn't verify your country." This indicates that YouTube cannot confirm that the user's location matches the information associated with their Google account or payment method. This tutorial outlines several troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Switch networks.
If connected to Wi-Fi, turn it off and use mobile data instead. If already using mobile data, connect to a different Wi-Fi network. Changing networks can resolve location detection issues caused by VPNs or mismatched IP addresses. Step 2. Change the device.
If using a phone, try signing up from a computer instead. Step 3. Check the payment profile. Navigate to Google Pay settings while signed into the Google account used for YouTube Premium. Locate the payment profile and review the country listed. This country must match the physical location where the user is currently present. If the countries do not match, a new payment profile with the correct country may need to be created. Step 4. Verify the payment method. Ensure that the credit or debit card was issued by a bank in the current country of residence. YouTube Premium often declines cards from different regions. If necessary, remove the existing card and add a new one that matches the country of residence. Step 5. Update location details in Google account. In Google account settings, confirm that the address and location details are correct and complete. Accurate information helps Google verify eligibility for region-specific services such as YouTube Premium. Step 6. Sign out and restart. After completing the above steps, log out of the Google account. Restart the device, log back in, and attempt the YouTube Premium sign-up process again. The "we couldn't verify your country" error typically arises from mismatches between the user's physical location, Google payment profile country, and the issuing country of the payment method. Switching networks, devices, and ensuring consistent location information across Google services usually resolves the issue.